Okay, today what I'm going to show you is a very quick overview of a new online resource called LearningExpress. It is something new that our TextQuest Resources has added this year. So to find it, the easiest way to start on the Burbank homepage and then click on the Digital Resources tab. You're going to scroll down almost to the bottom. And here's this resource right here, LearningExpress. There's no need to log in once you click on the link to it. Now there's two different versions. One is based on it being a public library, which you could still certainly use, and the other one is based on a high school library. So these are going to be more in line with what most teachers and students will need, but you don't want to necessarily overlook the public library resources as well. So what this is a lot of resources that will help students in their preparation for college. It can have testing materials, things that will help them be successful in high school, and then very specific topics like math, science, ELA, social studies, computer skills, and even career exploration and job and career accelerators. So for example, some of the things that they might look at are some study skills. So if they click on that, they can do different tutorials like how to read strategically or multitasking. So some things that they might be struggling with might be something that they want to look into. Same thing for, say, like ELA. You can look at reading, writing, language skills. So each of those will have different tutorials and ebooks or other resources that students can use. The other really cool thing is some of the STAR preparation. So you have practice tests that are here in addition to TSI placement tests. College preparation, so there's also practice tests for the ACT. Any of those students will need to log in and create an account. So what you would do is go into sign in and register, and they would create as a new user, so they would register and then fill out their information, and that way they can go back in once they've taken practice tests, look at their results, look at what they need to learn from. So it's a really awesome resource that students may want to look at. Let me look on the public library side. Most of those are very similar, but they're going to have, like for School Center, they have stuff for elementary and middle school as well. They also have some resources in Spanish. So this is a resource that you should be looking into and see if your students might use it. Could be very helpful for them.